Till next year. Right guys, so I'm sitting on the floor. I'm about to do some makeup. I just had a shower and Steve's at an appointment now, but he should be back in like half an hour, I think. I am teaching from 3 until 7 tonight. So I'm not gonna do too much makeup, but I'm gonna do a little bit just so I don't look like a thumb, especially when my hair is wet because it looks greasy. I just take like blah, blah, blah. I just like to do a little bit of makeup for teaching class. Also, I painted my nails this like iridescent purple the other day, and one of them's breaking, but I don't really know what to do. Like, I don't know if I should glue it or put a band-aid on it or just cut it and then file it down because they're at a point where they're like pretty long now. Like, I've had people ask if they were my real nails, oops, especially on this hand. You can see the one that's breaking and I keep like biting on it too. So I should probably put a band-aid to avoid it breaking off, at least until it can grow a little longer so that when I cut it, it's not like incredibly short. Or I could just cut it because it's catching on everything. But I'm gonna do some makeup like I mentioned, and I put away all the Halloween decor except for the stuff outside because it's raining a bunch today and I don't wanna bring all the outside stuff and put it away while it's wet. So I'll have to wait on like a dry day when everything's completely dried out to do that. But I am doing some laundry for some pillows, and the pillows that I'm about to put out are actually like Christmas pillows, and I think next weekend Steve and I are going to put out the Christmas tree and probably decorate it. That's something we like to do together. We like to get some hot chocolate, hot cocoa, and play some music, decorate the tree together in our matching pajamas. We've done that like every year since we moved here, so we'll probably do that on a weekend. We can both do that together. Not this weekend because it's too early to put it out, so I might just put the tree out and then we'll decorate it the next weekend. But yeah, it is the end of spooky season, which means all the spooky season stuff had to go away, and now all the festive stuff can come out. I'm so excited for the holidays, guys. I'm so excited. Also, someone asked me the other day what shade of the Rare Beauty blush I use, and this is the shade Hope. I really like it. I use the glossy one. I do have the matte one as well, but I just like the glossy one. I think it's pretty. I like it. Put some of that. Oh, got makeup in my eyeball. The pets are quiet. They're both sleeping, napping. I'm pretty sleepy and tired too. It's also a day where I'm redoing all of the bed linens. I know it's so interesting, but I'm cleaning up that. I'm doing some laundry of the pillows and the bed linens. So once that's done, I'll put it on tonight. Oh, and we rented Longlegs. I've heard it's a really good film. It has Nicolas Cage in it. It was out in theater a few weeks ago or a few months ago, and we've been meaning to watch it, and we bought it last night, but by the time we were both done work, it was just far too late to start it. So we're going to watch it tonight because we rented it, and then we started it, and we're like, oh, it's actually too late to finish it. So we only have another like 24 hours to finish it. So we've got to do that, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I also plucked and shaved my eyebrows. Another fun thing I did is I booked myself a massage. I'm excited. I have been dealing with some sore feet. I guess because my job is very much on my feet as a ballet dancer and a dance teacher. So I'm always on my feet. So I booked myself a relaxing massage and I'm really excited for that. I'm counting down the days. It's not for another like 10 days, but still, at least I can look forward to that when it's gonna happen. I haven't had a massage in like 5 or 6 years, and I used to get one like every other day when I was a ballerina because we had one at the company I was at, so that was nice. That was a nice perk of my job. I think I'm just gonna dust some eyeshadow on, just a little bit, whatever's left over on this brush. I'm not gonna even like dip it. I know it's a dark shade, but I just want to like contour my eyes a little bit, you know? Ooh, that was too much. That's okay. Like I said, I know it's a dark shade, but I just want some pop of color. I'm also going to use the Naked palette, and I think I'm going to use the shade Sidecar and just literally dab it on my finger and then put it on top. There we go. There we go. I'm so excited for Secret Lives of Mormon Wives to come out, and I'm also so excited for Yellow Jackets to come out. I think they're both coming out in the spring or hopefully in the winter. The sooner the better for me, because I love Yellow Jackets. It's my favorite show. I also love The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. It's one of my favorite reality shows. And it only came out this year. It came out in like September, and they're already filming season 2, which is wild. So cool that it did so well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and then get ready to teach, because I teach in less than 15 minutes. Okay, hi guys. Today it is Monday and it's so dreary outside. I'm losing my voice a little bit, but otherwise I'm feeling super refreshed and rejuvenated. It was daylight saving time this weekend, so I got an extra hour of sleep, and last night I went to bed at like 10:30 and woke up at 8:30 this morning, so I got so much sleep. I've also been reading A Court of Wind and Fury, I think it is. But anyways, I'm gonna do a ballet class. Let's get ready. I'm also going to be wearing these leg warmers on top, but the Leo I'm wearing, oh my gosh, the Leo I'm wearing is Yumiko. The shorts are Puma, and tights on top, not even a question. But like I said, I'm gonna throw these leg warmers on, and I think I'm gonna do a ballet class in flat shoes downstairs. Since I got back from the cottage, I haven't had as much time to do ballet as I would have liked to. I've been really busy with some work things, some personal things in my life going on, but I know there's only so much of this year left and I want to make the most of it. Not only is Christmas just around the corner, but VLOGMAS is also around the corner. So I'm trying to use this time right now to refresh, rejuvenate, and make sure that I carve in some time for actual relaxation and recovery, whether that means taking a nice long bubble bath, having a tea, sipping my tea, and reading the books that I'm reading. I'm currently reading A Court of Mist and Fury, and I'm about halfway done. I am obsessed with this series. I am not usually a fantasy reader, let alone a romance girly, but I think the combination of fantasy and romance just makes it all the much more enjoyable for me. So I've been enjoying escaping, I guess, into the world of Prithian. If you guys have read the ACOTAR series, let me know. I've also heard really good things about Fourth Wing. Again, I'm not much of a fantasy person. I really like thriller, so getting into ACOTAR took me a while, I'm not gonna lie, because it doesn't start out the most excitingly, and it doesn't start out like with a bang, not much happens. I guess it does technically start out with a bang in the beginning, like the first few scenes, but other than that, it's pretty slow burning compared to what I usually read. But also give me some book recommendations, because I'm gonna have a lot more free time before January. In January, I'm starting a new program and I'm not going to have as much free time, so I won't be able to read in my spare time as often because I'll be doing my program. I did, however, apply for another program within the same, I guess I could call it schooling, and I'm waiting to hear back. I'm keeping my fingers and my toes crossed. I'm really, really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, hence the reason I haven't been vlogging much, because I've been trying to get that kind of stuff sorted. So keep your toes and fingers crossed for me that I get into this other program as well. And if I get in, I'll tell you guys all about it. Steve was away this weekend, so I had a lot of time to read and be by myself with my thoughts. So I'm kind of excited for when he comes back, because I don't like spending too much time alone, and I have to get better on that because I know to be a healthy minded person, you have to be able to spend some time by yourself. So I'm trying to get better at that. I think it honestly does help hanging out with you guys because it feels like I am hanging out and socializing with people, even if you're not responding to me as I'm doing the voice recording. I know I can always look forward to the comments when I put out the videos, and I always read the comments. I'm sorry if I don't always reply. I'm going to be better at that, I promise. And also just thank you for watching this. If you got this far, thanks so much, because I truly appreciate you guys. And being able to say that I have 70,000 people on here feels so surreal because that's a lot of friends. That's that's a lot, guys. So thank you for supporting me, and thank you for hanging out here. I love reading your comments, so I'm gonna be better at responding to them, I promise. I'm not gonna lie, I still get pretty nervous when I put things out online. I don't know why exactly. I think it's just that, you know, my life's pretty boring. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that interesting. So I get nervous that people are gonna think that I'm boring. And so what if they do? I mean, maybe it's comforting boring in a way. So anyways, if you wanna see more vlogs, and especially more vlogs during the holidays, let me know. And also let me know if you want me to go back to Q&As, workout videos, because I have plenty of time until I start my program. So leave a comment down below what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.